Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my 2016 Best of Beauty 2016 beauty favorites. Yun, I actually filmed this video already, and if you guys have been watching my vlogs, you would know that my hard drive just crashed on me and I couldn't recover all the files that I have on there, like all the videos that I have. It took me quite a while to film the video again because I was like, maybe I can recover the files. Until now, hindi ko pa rin siya na-recover, so I was like, I'm just gonna refilm the video because I'm usually always on time with my favorites. Like, it's always usually at the end of the month or the first day of the next month, you know what I mean? But yeah, that happened. Anyway, I will go ahead and start. I don't have a lot. Like, this is 2016 favorites, and some videos I've watched like 50 minutes long, 40 minutes long. Mine will be maybe like 15 minutes because I do not have a lot. If you guys have been watching me, you know that I don't really wear eyeshadows, so I don't have eyeshadows to feature here. These are the products that I started using in 2016, or I was just obsessed during 2016. I'm gonna start with the face products and then eyes and then lips. Okay, first one is this Sephora Smoothing Primer. And you guys, if you have been watching me for a while, you would know, focus please, you would know that I do not use primer. It's just something that I feel like it just adds layer to my face. Na for me, it's not necessary, but when I started using this is like the most lightweight primer I have used. It feels like wala lang sa mukha ko. I actually just discovered this in December and I have been using it non-stop. Like, maybe you cannot tell, but like I'm right here, and I do not use a lot. Like, maybe half a pump is enough for my whole face. So yeah, that's the first one. Okay, so for foundation, this is my favorite. If you've been watching me for a while, you would know na. I will show you this. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. It's oil-free. I actually have it on my face right now for a foundation na okay sa Pilipinas at saka sa Australia. Like, you know, magkaibang weather, you guys. I did a review on this here, and I also did a review on this when I was in the Philippines, and I love it. I also like that it's the perfect match sa skin ko. Sobrang nahihirapan ako maghanap ng shade na babagay sa akin, guys. Sobrang minsan lang, and this is a perfect match. Ito at saka yung Milani. Gusto ko i-feature yung Milani, pero I started using Milani 2017 na, so di siya pwedeng maging part ng 2016 favorites ko, but that one is really good as well. Actually, mas gusto ko yun ng slight lang kaysa dito. Pareho sila maganda, but mas gusto ko yun ng slight. My next favorite is this Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. Some of you guys comments on my video like, use the Nichido Final Powder. I have been using this for so long. For some reason, when I use this, I don't vlog it, or like I don't say it in my vlog, because when you guys commented that, I was like, oh yeah, I haven't really showed this on my vlog much or on my videos much, but this is my go-to powder. Sobrang mura lang niya, very lightweight lang din siya, and it's really good for baking as well. And then another powder, I think you will know this already if you guys have been watching me, my Etude Oil Control and Oil-Free Face Powder. So this is the powder that I use on my under eyes. I just know that kapag sinet ko yung under eyes ko with this powder, like, I will be good. Hindi siya mag-crease. I know na maasahan ko siya. Sa year 2016, if I said na I was just wearing concealer and powder, ito lagi yung powder na gamit ko. So yeah, sobrang gusto ko siya, you guys. I was gonna purchase this, but for some reason, I didn't see this sa Watsons. Nakuha ko to siya sa Watsons. I don't remember which Watson, maybe sa SM. Pero nung tinignan ko siya ulit when I was there, hindi ko siya nakita. But yeah, it just looks like this pink. I'm not sure if this is face out or what. I hope not. Okay, next up are highlighters. 2016 was for me like my highlighter year. Like mid-2016, I started wearing highlighters. And simula noon, parang hindi na ako lumalabas walang highlighter. Well, now, hindi na ako like nagha-highlighter araw-araw. But nung nag-start ako na mag-highlighter, like nagha-highlighter talaga ako araw-araw, you guys. Like, it was non-stop. And the highlighter that I have been using and I was like so obsessed with is itong Becca na shimmering skin perfector. Ito yung champagne pop. Ang daming beses ko na itong na-mention sa video ko. Ang daming, ano ba yung kanina pa naglakad. For me, it is a perfect highlighter for morena skin tone like moi and like most of us Filipinas. It is very flattering sa mukha. I have it on this cheek right now. I have a different highlighter on this cheek because that's another favorite of mine. Okay, so the highlighter that I have on here is very similar. They're very similar. As you guys can see, like, para lang silang magkapareho lang. Like, you cannot tell na iba pala itong dalawang to. Itong nandito is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. Hindi siya ganun ka pareho ng quality, but the shade is very similar. I will go ahead and swatch it for you. Yeah, so this is Becca right here, and this is the Wet n Wild. So medyo may pagka-pinky ng konti yung Wet n Wild, but once it's on your face, you cannot tell na magkaiba sila. So if you do not have the money to spend on the Becca, kasi I get it. It's really freaking expensive. Kung hindi to pinadala sa akin ng Sephora, hindi ko to mabibili because it's legit expensive, you guys. Pero meron namang makukuha mo yung same look na mura lang. Okay, so next up is blush. The Etude House Cookie Blusher in the shade Peach Show Wafers. Yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is very subtle lang siya sa mukha. And since I was really into highlights, I didn't want blush na like parang meron ng highlighting effect sa kanya. This one is a matte blush. Looks like that. And it's very natural looking sa mukha. Okay, so sa eyebrows naman tayo. I'm pretty sure alam nyo na to. Ang daming beses ko na tong na-mention sa favorites ko. It's crazy. If hindi nyo pa alam, ewan ko na lang. It's the Detail Make Brow. Pero instead of using this shade, ito na yung shade na to yung ginagamit ko. So, that's what I have on my brows right now. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking about this because I literally talk about this in every vlog. Like, ito lang talaga yung eyebrow powder ko for so long. So, sa mascara naman, I have two right here. The first one is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is really good, you guys, if you need a lot of volume. Like me, I need a lot of volume and length for my eyelashes. Like, kapag wala akong mascara, parang wala lang akong eyelashes. Because ang konti lang nila, tapos they're super thin. This helps adding a lot of volume without making it look like super clumpy. Well, it can be clumpy if you add like 100 layers. But, you know, I add 2 layers of this and it makes my eyelashes look really volumized. And this one naman, this is the mascara that I have been using end of 2016. So, from October to yeah, until now actually. This is the Etude House Curl Fix Mascara. Now, this one is really good. It provides length and volume. This is really good adding volume, but this one provides length and volume. And I really, really like it. I have it on my eyelashes right now. So guys, kung hindi nyo pa ito nabili, like seriously though, buy it na. Okay, next one is concealer. I have one and only right here. I was gonna feature my Too Faced Born This Way, pero minsan ko lang siya nagamit. Like siguro 5 times ko pa lang siya nagamit kasi I started using that end of December. Pero ito, I started using maybe like end of November. Ito yung Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have mine in the shade 25 medium, and this is the perfect concealer shade para sa akin. It has yellow undertone. I have it on my under eyes right now. Seriously though, my under eyes though, so dark. But this one helps a lot. I really like it. Sobrang mura lang niya. Pero hindi like sobrang mura like yung Guerlain 90 pesos. Pero 299, and matagal na siya maglalast sa'yo. Tapos maganda pa yung performance niya. It stays on your under eyes and it keeps you look alive. So, why not coconut choke na? Okay, so onto the lips. I have quite a lot in here. Lip balms. You guys know na nag-apply ako ng lip balm every night talaga before ako matulog. Mid-2016, I was using the Lucas Pawpaw ointment. Ito yung galing talaga dito sa Australia. And it's good as a lip balm. Now, when I went back to the Philippines, naiwan ko to siya dito. And I started using this because Sephora sent this to me. And this is really good as well, you guys. They're both good, by the way. Let me explain. But this one is really good. Nasabi ko sa vlog ko na this is the best lip balm I have ever tried. Because that's what I felt when I was using this. It was the best. Sobrang mahal nga lang niya. Now, if you can get your hands on this, this is actually way better. I just realized that nung nakabalik na ako dito and my lips were really crazy chapped. I do not know why. Like, siguro sa change of weather na din. Like, doon humid, dito hindi. Ewan ko. Pero my lips was so chapped. I started using this and my lips are fine now. So, this is way better than this. This is way cheaper than this. But they're both good. Kung gusto mong mag-spend ng pera, kung mayaman ka and marami kang pera, gusto mo lang ng fancy na lip balm, go for this one. Pero kung gusto mo yung maaasahan talaga ng lip balm, this one, Lucas Pawpaw ointment. Malapit na siya, no, not really. I was gonna say malapit na siya maubos, but I literally use this every single night. Ito, nasa drawer ko na lang siya. Gagamitin ko to when we travel kasi maliit siya, pero they're both good. So I have 3 lip liners in here. Early to mid 2016, I was really into lip liners. Like, just lip liner on my lips, walang lipstick. Lip liner lang. It was my thing, you guys. And ito yung mga go-to lip liners ko. This is the Colourpop lippie pencil in the shade Dopey. I have it on my lips right now, pero I have a lipstick over it. So, ito yung nasa ilalim na hindi nyo makita. Colourpop lipsticks are really good except for their ultra matte. I do not like their ultra matte. Pero yung lip liner at saka lippie sticks nila, sobrang ganda. Yung lip liner, para lang siyang pinaliit na lipstick. Mas maganda kasi mas precise. Pero the color payoff, the wear, actually mas long wearing siya compared sa lipstick. And I really like it. Dopey. Isa lang yung lip liner ko from Colourpop. I really want to get more, but I don't need it, obviously. Like, I have a ton. But, you know, siguro kung meron pa akong extra pera pa, ito yung bibilihin ko. And then, meron pa akong dalawa dito. Ito, True Lips lip liner. I was wearing it non-stop early 2016. Like, non-stop talaga. Hindi nga lang siya FDA approved, I heard. That's why I stopped using it. Marami silang shades na pagpipilian. Tapos, sobrang mura pa niya. Kaya pala mura kasi hindi FDA approved. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. And then, this one is really inexpensive as well. Essence lip liner. Mine is in the shade Satin Mauve. Hindi siya kasing dali i-apply kay Colourpop. Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? It's not as easy to apply as the Colourpop one. Pero maganda siya. Long-lasting din siya. After I was using this for a while and I really like it, I decided to get it in a different shade as well. So yeah, maganda yung Essence na lip liner. Okay, next up are lipsticks. And surprise! Colourpop. Ito lang talaga yung lipstick na ginagamit ko for like majority of 2016 na I was wearing lipstick. It was Colourpop lang. Specifically, Colourpop na cami na shade. Ganyan yung color niya, oh. I also really like the packaging of the Colourpop because the lipstick, it's not like, you know, the regular bullet shape that's kind of big. This one is smaller and it's just more precise. I really like this shade. I also really like the shade Grunge. I just do not like the smell of this. This smells really funky to me. Like, for some reason, of all the Colourpop lipsticks that I have, this is the only one that has that weird smell to it. But yeah, it looks like that. It's a really nice brownish mauvey shade. And I really like it. I like that it's not like in-your-face brown. It still has the hint of mauve to it. Yes. And then the last lipstick that I have from Colourpop, I actually featured all 3 lipsticks that I have from Colourpop because I love them all. This one is the shade Poppin. So it's perfect for summer. Like, you know, if you're wearing a white top and you put this on your lips, oh my gosh, you will be popping, you guys. That's it. So pretty. It is the best matte lipstick formula I have tried on my lips. Colourpop, and they're not that expensive at all. So good. Moving on to the liquid lipstick. I only have one in here. I wasn't really exposed to a lot of liquid lipsticks in 2016, so I didn't really get to try a lot of liquid lipsticks. But you guys, when I started trying this, I was like, this is the best liquid lipstick I have tried. It's really good. Just this specific shade though. This is the Meet Matthews Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick from the Balm. I have all the shades from this lipstick line, and for some reason this is the only shade that is long lasting on my lips. Like, they have that red shade, they have that nude shade. Actually, I have the sincere shade over the dopey. Other shades I'm not like super impressed, but the shade Charming is my favorite. It is that really nice mauvey pinkish everyday color that I have been wearing non-stop for like siguro a month or 2 or maybe 3 mid to end 2016. It's crazy. I really like this, and meron siyang minty na amoy sa kanya, which I really enjoy. Like, I can sniff this all day, all night. Arde or Night Yaz. Kapag inamoy mo talaga siya, parang gagaling ka sa sipon at ubo mo. Yung ganong amoy, like very minty and like yun. And that is basically for the makeup products. Now, I have some extra right here that I wanted to show you guys. Itong mga to, I started using in 2016. Ito yung Real Techniques na Miracle Sponge, and then this is the Beauty Blender. This one is more expensive. This one is still expensive para sa akin, pero not as expensive as this. Like, this is expensive. Super. Pero this one, not as bad, pero this is really good as well. Like, itong dalawang to, okay lang sa akin. Like, kung wala ito, okay lang sa akin na ito lang. Like, hindi ko na kailangan bilhin ito. You know what I mean? Nabiblend talaga nila yung foundation ng maayos. Walang, like, you know, brush streaks ka makikita. When I started using the sponges, like, minsan na lang talaga ako gumagamit ng brush. And that is it for my 2016 beauty favorites video. I have watched a few 2016 favorites video, and they're like, 2016 wasn't great for them, and I was like, dang, I had a blast in 2016. Like, 2016 is my best year yet, and I'm so thankful. Most of it is because of you guys and because of YouTube. Everything amazing that happened to me in 2016 was because of YouTube, and thank you so much guys for that. I hope you had an amazing 2016. I hope sana tayong lahat will have an amazing 2017. If you're watching this and you're happy, sana maging happy ka pa this year, because I'm really happy and I am still happy, and I want to be more happy in 2017. And sa mga nanonood dito na hindi ganon ka-happy yung life nila, it will be better. Like, I swear to you, I've been there. I was down for quite a while, but now I'm happy. You will find the happiness, I assure you. So, kapit lang. Try, may ganun talaga ako. Anyway, that is it for this video. Sun is going down. Lighting has changed. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Love you.